Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video I'm going to show you the beautiful luxury hotel and resorts website. 5-star hotel, fully responsive and beautiful look, fully professional. So friend, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, if you will have any kind of query and suggestion, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my beautiful blog therichpost.com. Contact this page. In this page you will get my email id, whatsapp number and upwork id as well. Also you will get multiple free stuff like e-commerce templates, admin dashboard and so many stuff. Now back to the beautiful luxury hotel site. See the beautiful top section friends. See the Navbar. I am full-time freelancer, you can hire me for your work as well. And see the beautiful hero section. See guys how the things animated, just brilliant. Beautiful advanced search friends, you will see discover the beautiful luxury heaven. Gallery section. See friends, scroll down about a section friends. See 5-star dining, pools and spa and wellness, room and suites. See friends, just brilliant. Like details, hotel amenities. See friends, signature dining section. See guys, spa and wellness section, offers. See friends, offers, stats, ready to experience luxuries like never before. Contact us. See guys, follow Insta section and the beautiful footer. Scroll to top. See guys, I must say this is the best site for your hotel business, and if you want this kind of stuff then feel free to contact me anytime. I'm fully available for your services. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you, have a nice day, take care, bye bye.